Hello, welcome to 5T Beauty Academy. This is Valerie and she will be demonstrating an instrument disinfecting after a client. So now Valerie will be demonstrating an instrument disinfectant after a client. First step, let's get the tweezers. Second step, let's use a brush and soap. Place soap on brush. And we will clean the tweezers thoroughly, adding water to the soap and brush and tweezers. After cleaning tweezers thoroughly, we would like to rinse under hot water. After rinsing tweezers, we would like to dry them properly. And make sure, ladies, after you dry your tweezers with your paper towel, throw the paper towel away. As you see, Valerie did forget that step, but that's okay. Because here at 5T, we correct and our students will get it done. So now, Valerie will be placing tweezers inside of disinfectant, like that, and we will wait for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, we are now ready to take out tweezers with tongues out of the disinfectant. After we take out tweezers out of disinfectant with tongues, we would like to rinse under warm water for 10 seconds. After rinsing off tweezers, we like to use paper towel and dry tweezers off thoroughly. We would like to make sure tweezers are dry.
Now it's time for the new client.
After you finish drying tweezers, you are ready for next client. So a question that you guys may ask is, how do we make the solution for the disinfectant? PPE, personal protective equipment. So first, you need goggles. Then you need a mask. Then we need 2 gloves. Then how do we make the solution?
We get the water.
How many?
A gallon.
So right now, if I do 2 gallons, so how many lucasite I need? If I do 2 gallons.
If you do 2 gallons, you will need 1 of the lucasite. So 1
ounce.
Here,
1 ounce, yeah.
Valerie has been taught how to correctly make the solution. She is ready and prepped to disinfect instrument after a client. Thank you all for watching 5T Beauty Academy.